Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check viewing history on Netflix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that of course. And of course you need to go and subscribe to Netflix. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top left corner we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have, of course, your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and check viewing history on Netflix. So first of all, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account. And it will be a screen like this. After that, you need to scroll down to, of course, the section where you can manage your profiles and click there. Then, of course, select the profile that you want and then click on viewing activity, which is here. Then when you did that, you can see the titles you watched, and if you want to, you can hide specific titles from your viewing history by clicking the hide icon next to the title. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you can do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.